เอาล่ะมาต่อกันดีกว่านะครับไม่รอช้าครับน้องฟอร์ทันส์ครับมาเลยน้องกวินธิดาปิ่นทองครับเธอเป็นสาวน้อยที่ชื่นชอบในเรื่องของวิทยาศาสตร์ครับและอยากนำความรู้ด้านวิทยาศาสตร์ทั้งหมดที่เธอมีมาเล่าให้เข้าใจง่ายและขาดไม่ได้คือความสนุกครับผม พร้อมไหมคะจ้องกันตาแตกอะค่ะ ถ้าพร้อมแล้วครับน้องฟอร์ทันครับ
Hey, do you see these two colors the same? If your answer is yes, you're probably colorblind. How do colorblind people see things? We'll figure it out. First, we need to know how normal vision people see things as you see me. Within the light, pass to the objects and bounce your eye. That may not be so clear in the picture, but here's some help from Mr. Eyeball. The light enters a part known as cornea, which is a clear part here, to the lens and to the retina, where there are lots of nerve cells sending signal to Mr. Brain. At the retina, there are two types of cells, known as cone cells and rod cells. We have over 100 of million rod cells in each eyeball, where we see things within black and white, so a little particle of light can already generate a picture, while cone cells only have 7 million in each eyeball, and they see things within a lot of light, and also can be classified into three main groups, known as red one, green one, and blue one. We call it all as RGB. Now you all here probably see that I'm wearing red. It's because the light from my shirt enters your eye and functions the cone cells of red and goes here, Brain, it's red. But what if I'm wearing the color of yellow, which is not one of the three in RGB, but yellow do have a wavelength between red and green. This means both of the cone will send signal to brain again. Brain! It's yellow. Now, you all here see that if one of them lose, or two, or three, it is a case of colorblind. You here see that I'm wearing red right now. But what if the red cone cells is gone, like this? Will this shirt right here still be red? Actually, no, but instead it will be green. Also, there only chance 1 in a million who will lose all of the cone here, and from this colorful rod, red, blue, green, or anything, it will just be in color like this. So, this colorblind is trait in a chromosome of X. More likely man would be colorblind than a woman. There are two types of colorblind. One since you were born, and another when you're grown up, where you used to see the color, but now you cannot differentiate any. Well, that's not a big deal. We do have glasses that help, where you put them on, and here goes. You can differentiate the color and shades more clearly. Also, nowadays technology, we do have phone. You just take them out, and here goes. Red, pink, green, blue, or any color might just shout out for you. Lots of people see that being colorblind is a big barrier that blocks your life. But for me, it's actually the opportunity for you to see difference, for you to be unique. Lots of famous people like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Clinton, they are colorblind. But they prove that colorblind is not a barrier at all. Seeing the world in less color do not mean this world is less colorful. Seeing the beauty here do not go on with the eyes or the cells, but the minds. Thank you.
Woohoo! ฟอร์ทันครับ Science of Colorblind นั่นเองนะครับ I have a lot of friends here colorblind.
Yeah,
but
because most of the men are colorblind.
Yeah. I'm architect. That my friends try to use the color from the memory from your brain.
Yes.
To remember, this is a red, this is yellow,
Yeah,
right?
as a traffic light.
Yeah, something like that. โอเคเอาล่ะครับมาถึงคิวของคณะกรรมการกันบ้านดีกว่านะครับวันนี้จะบอกเลยว่าผมโชคดีนะที่มีโอกาสได้มาสัมผัสกับเรื่องราวที่มันสนุกแบบนี้ด้วยเชิญคณะกรรมการครับท่านแรกใครดีดร.อภรณ์ครับ
Well, that was a beautiful presentation, and I think your use of different props are very smart. So I was wondering, talk about these glasses that could help people with colorblind.
Yes.
So if the colorblind was because the the cells at the back of the eye has gone, how would the glasses help?
Okay, it's when you're colorblind, that's mean rod cells. It's actually not about rod cells, but about the cone cells that's gone. And now the glasses, or we call it enchroma glasses, it actually differentiates like people who are colorblind with red, right? they actually see things that are not red, like blue, green. So actually, the glasses do prevent of getting too much of those colors we see. So probably from seeing things like I used to see blue more clearly than now. So that glasses do help you to classify more shades because colorblind is actually people who know shades more than us. So from putting on this, it may not help clearly like we see the red, but it does help to clear the difference.
Thank you.
the level of shade right
Yes.
yes okay exactly โอเคครับเชิญครับอาจารย์ท่านต่อมาครับหรือพี่ๆนะครับได้เลยนะฮะ
ขอถามเป็นภาษาไทย
ครับ
นะ
พี่รัก
คะ
ชนกครับ
ค่ะพอดีว่าช่วงนี้มันจะมีที่เขาแชร์กันมามีรองเท้าคู่หนึ่งบางคนเห็นเป็นเทาเขียว บางคนเป็นชมพูหรืออะไร อันนั้นอธิบายให้ฟังหน่อยได้ไหมมันเกี่ยวกับ
ขอ
อัน
อนุ
นี้
ญาต
หรือ
ตอบ
เป
เป็
ล่าน
ภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมคะ
ได้
yeah
ค่ะ
yeah
ได้
yeah you
ค่ะ
can
Okay. From that pink and green things from the shoe, it's not actually about the colorblind or anything, but it has something to do with the retina. In the internet, they say it's about the brain, but actually no, it's about the receiving the retina. So people more likely like they receive the color of red, they will see it in pink and white. While people who receive green more, or we normal people, will actually see that choose more green. Yeah.
อันนี้เห็นด้วยนะครับผมเห็นเป็นสีชมพูครับผม
For Tran, you made me proud of myself because I am colorblind.
Oh.
And that always my big problem. And you know, I am an expert on eyes, and I really love your prop. May I buy your eyeball afterwards?
come from a lamp right
I think I like it.
you do it by yourself
I did it by my idea, but my dad cuts it for me.
yeah
He's right
คัดมา
there.
เองนะฮะไม่มีขายนะฮะศึกษาพันธุ์ไม่มีนะฮะ
No.
no
That's amazing.
Yeah.
My question is, I bought many glasses. They claim that they can correct the colorblindness, but it didn't work for me. Is there any
Oh.
other option? My symptom is pretty special.
you want to try this one
This is actually not the one because the one is
Oh.
actually
Option.
10,000s. Okay. Using the color of these glasses that help, it only helps people with the symptoms of not seeing red or green. So more if you're actually two color that you cannot see or three or more complicated case like Dr. Kao, you might not see it clearly. But there's other ways too. Like, as I said, you have a mobile application where it helps you and it's friendly for colorblind people. Also remembering the position, it's a big way that helps. Like people who goes out to the traffic, as she said, and it's red, it's green, it's blue. But they're actually working on fixed things like this. Also, right now, there are scientists who are doing the project right now where they are studying about the genes if they can correct it, but not yet.
ว้าวขอบคุณมากครับ thank you for your answer โอเคครับขอบคุณครับโปรเทนนะฮะอันนี้เป็นความรู้เพิ่มเติมแล้วกันนะครับน้องๆหลายๆคนที่กำลังจะโตขึ้นมาแล้วก็ไปสอบใบอนุญาตขับขี่รถยนต์นะครับจริงๆแล้วในการตรวจสอบเนี่ยจะมีการเช็คความบกพร่องทางการมองเห็นเรื่องสายตาเนี่ย2ระดับนะฮะระดับแรกคือจะไม่อนุญาตให้ทำการขับรถเลย